Hans, can you read this? Arms up. This one? Ah, mouth. Hi. Very good. Can you read this?
Baby.
Baby.
Hi. Baby.
What's this, Hans? No. Read this.
Ouch.
Ouch. Artie? Can I have that? Oh. Balik mo sa akin yun, ano? Hans, what's this? Hans?
Hi.
Eyes. Hans, what's this? Torgur. How about this one? Duck. Dog. Ow, ow. And this one, Hans? Ear. What's this? Nose. Akin na yung palakpak. Hans, what's this? Clap. Very good. Last one. Ella. Elephant. Puyoy. Bulol si Hans ko. Oh, Hans, clap your hands. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Uy. Bye. What's this again? Arms up. Thanks. What's this? Uy. Ba? Bye-bye na? Goodbye. Flying kiss nga. Flying kiss kay Mommy.